We completed, correct. We completed with the zero order. Yes. For the zero order, should I define it once again? Zero order reaction. What do you, first of all, what do you mean by zero order? Yes. What do you mean by zero order? Yes. What do you mean by zero order? Jyotsna, Shrutika, Parikshit, Hari Mahesh, Vishwanath. What do you mean by zero order? N is equal to 0. And what is that N? Zero order means that reaction is not dependent on any reactant. Okay. That not zero concentration. Not zero concentration. Chalo, let us quickly revise the zero order first. Then we'll go to the first order. Okay. So let us quickly revise what we have done in the zero order. Yes, then we have to do the half-life for that. Okay. So in the zero order, we have seen, suppose I have reactant that gives me product. Okay, suppose I have reactant that gives me product. So rate always and always, Jyotsna, Hari Mahesh, rate always and always dependent on what? Yes, it is dependent on what? Is it the reactant product? Rate always and always dependent on, I have told you this, you have not revised. Rate always and always is dependent on the concentration of reactants. Yes, concentration of reactant. If I remove the proportionality sign over here, X. If I remove the proportionality sign, what should I get? I'll get the rate constant K. I'll get the rate constant K. R to the power. Now, what should be the value of X over here since it is a zero order? Yes, Shrutika, Jyotsna, what should be the value of X over here since it is a zero order? Yes, X should be. Go ahead, tell me. Correct, Parikshit. X should be what? Hari Mahesh, what should be the X if it is zero order? Very good, Srushti. Good evening. Yes, what should be the X? Come on, what happened? Correct, Shrutika. Yes, it is 0. And rate, we have already seen, rate is nothing but change in concentration with respect to time. Yes, so I'll write over here d concentration of R by dt. And since it is a reactant, it should be negative. Since this is a reactant, it should be negative. Correct? Then anything raised to 0. Yes, even I write Hari Mahesh raised to 0, Shrutika raised to 0, Jyotsna raised to 0. No matter whom I write raised to 0, it should be, the value will be what? Value will be anything raised to 0 is, yes, 1. Correct, Parikshit. Anything that raised to 0, correct, Sai, it is nothing but 1. So dr by dt is nothing but K. dr by dt is nothing but K. So I can take dt to that side, correct? I can take dt to that side and I can take minus to that side. So over here, what will I get? I'll get over here dr is equal to minus k dt. Minus k dt. And if I do the integration, yes, we have done this in the last lecture. If I do the integration, just a minute, if I do the integration, everyone, if I do the integration, what will I get? dr, the integration of dr will be what? Look into your book. We have done it in the last lecture. Yes, integration of dr will be, yes, it is nothing but concentration of R. Concentration of R. K minus K as it is out, and dt, integration of dt is nothing but T plus I. T plus I. Hari Mahesh, where did you go early? Why did you go early in the previous lecture? Yeah. So till over here we have got it, and from over here, yes, over here we do not require I in our equation, correct? We have to eliminate the I, correct? So that's why we consider a situation where you have to compare between initial time, initial concentration and the final concentration. Initial concentration and the final concentration. So at, correct Vishwanath, at T is equal to 0. Yes, at T is equal to 0, my R will become R naught. Correct Parikshit, my R will become R naught. Correct? And my T will become 0. My T will become the value of I. You could have informed me, no, and go. So my R will become R naught, correct? And this will be eliminated because T is equal to 0. So R naught is equal to I. So I can substitute this over here and I can get one equation, correct? So that equation will be what? R is equal to minus KT plus R naught. Plus R naught. This is what we have got, and this was your Y, this was your M, this was your X, this was your C. Yes, this we have derived in the last lecture, and we have got the rate constant, that is K. The value of the rate constant for the zero order, correct? So I can take K to this side, correct, becomes plus K, isn't it? R goes to that side, becomes minus R, so it will be R naught minus R, R naught minus R, minus KT I have taken to this side, so become plus KT. So T will go in the denominator. T will go in the denominator. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? This is what we have already done in the last lecture. Yes? I hope you all remember. This is what we have already done in the last lecture. This is where we ended our lecture. Come on, give me yes, everyone. So early, do not get saturated. Very good. I expect you to shout yes, sir, but with the keyboards. Sure. Now, okay. Now, chalo, let us do the first order. Okay, let us do the first order. Let us start with the first order. If you want, you can write it with me. Okay, you can write it with me. Okay, one by one, one step, we'll write it together. Okay, so first order, mark it important. Mark it important. Mark it as important. Okay. Now over here in the first order, again the same thing. Again the same thing. Reactant is going to give me product, Shrutika, over here. Reactant is going to give me product. Correct. So again my rate will be proportional to what? We have already done this. My rate will be proportional to, I'll write it from this end. My rate will be proportional to the reactants. Yes. So rate will be proportional to the reactant. Correct, raised to x. If I remove the proportionality sign, it will be equal to, then k, then r. Yes, everyone, what will be the value of x over here? What will be the value of x? Correct, Vishwanath. What will be the value of x? Shrutika over here. Jyotsna, what will be the value of x? Since it is a first order, Parikshit has given the answer. Hari Mahesh, Srushti, Netra, what will be the value of x? Correct. The value of x over here will be, I know Hari Mahesh, you shouted 1, but you could have written ONE instead of 1111. Okay, so over here x is nothing but 1. Okay, and rate we again know it is d by r dt and the negative sign. Correct. Now over here, everyone, now we have a situation. We do not have R naught. Correct. We do not have R naught. So over here, if I have to take the integration, what I have to do? I'll take this R over here to the denominator. So I'll write dr. Look over here on the screen, everyone. Dr, okay, by R is equal to, minus goes to that side. I have multiplied the whole equation by minus. So minus minus plus, and the k becomes minus k dt. First look at this step and tell me everyone is clear or no. Look at this step. Is it clear what I have done? Is it clear what I have done? Okay. See, I have not done anything, not anything complex. Come on, look over here. What I have done, I have taken r in the denominator, dt to the numerator. Correct? R to the denominator, dt to the numerator, because equal to is there in between. And I have multiplied the whole equation by minus. So this will become plus, this will become minus. Is it clear? Shrutika, Hari Mahesh, is it clear? Jyotsna, is it clear? Okay. Now, if I take the integration over here, integrating both sides, yes. Tell me dx by x, what is the integration? Yes, dx by x. Come on, my physics students, my maths people. Dx by x. What is the integration? One by two x square. Is it? Is it? Integration, not derivative. What is the integration over here? Dx by x. It is nothing but ln this. Yeah, ln x, log x. Similarly, that's why if I integrate dr by r, it will be ln r. And minus k will be as it is again, and dt will be t plus I again. Minus k t plus I. Is everyone clear with the step? Yes or no in the chat box? Is everyone clear? Okay. Now again let us consider we want to find the value of I. We do not want I in our equation. So again at t is equal to 0, where r will become r0. Where r will become r0. So if I substitute this over here, ln r0 minus ln r0 is equal to, your t becomes 0 and this will become I. This will become I. So substitute this, suppose this is equation 1. Substitute in 1. Correct? So what I will get, everyone? Ln r0 is equal to minus kt. Same thing what we have done for the zero order. Ln r0. Oh, over here it should be done r. Ln r is equal to minus kt plus ln r0. Is everyone clear? Yes or no in the chat box? Is everyone clear? Jyotsna, is it clear? Sai, Parikshit, is it clear? Okay. Now this is what we have got. Simple. So over here from this we can get a graph, isn't it? If I plot a graph over here, come on, tell me what will be my x-axis? What will be my x-axis? Yeah? What will be my x-axis, everyone? Shruti, Shrutika, Netra, Sai, what will be the x-axis? Yes, correct Parikshit, I've got it. Come on others. No Vishwanath, it will be not that. What will be my x-axis? Shrutika. Jyotsna, what will be my x-axis? Hari Mahesh, what will be my x-axis? Look, no, you can substitute the form of our straight line, no, over here. Y mx c, isn't it? Why is it that difficult? Come on. Plotting the graph should be the most easy thing. Yes, so over here, y-axis is ln r, x-axis is ln r0, correct? Slope negative, so graph like this, and this over here, it is, oh, so sorry, this should be time, X-axis is nothing but, over here, x-axis should be time, t. And intercept is nothing but ln r0. And slope is minus k. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no in the chat box? Come on, write it down. Why I'm getting a feeling that today some of you are not understanding. Is it clear? Come on, everyone, give me yes if it is clear. Yes, sir. You know, when I used to teach offline, I used to always say this. Give me a louder yes. Whenever I ask, is it clear? And from that, I have this habit of asking at every step, is it clear? And if it is clear, I used to ask them to give me a louder yes. Okay. Very good, Sai. Yes, that is how they used to shout. Okay. Now, over here. Yes, definitely. I'll plan Srushti, I'll plan some, meet and greet like all these YouTubers and this influencers. They plan no meet and greet. Similarly, we'll plan meet and greet, isn't it? That would be fun idea, no? Okay, come back, come back. Okay, so over here, what we have, this is the equation, correct? Now the equation is not over. Okay. Yes, I hope, Mahesh. This equation is not over. We have to still solve it. We want a k. We want a k. So minus kt, I'll take it to the left hand side, will become plus kt. Yes, will become plus kt. ln r comes to the right hand side, becomes minus ln r. ln r naught, I'll write it as this. ln r naught minus ln. So what is the value over here? Log a minus b, log a minus log b. Jyotsna, Shrutika, Hari Mahesh, Adil, Srushti, log a minus log b. Yes, Parikshit, ln a minus ln b. Come on, you should know this. Yeah, log a upon log b. Wow, Hari Mahesh. Log a over log b. It is ln a over b, not ln a over ln b. ln a, that is ln r naught minus ln r will be over here, will be r. So ln a minus ln b, log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. Is it clear, everyone, till over here? Okay, so over here I can get the value of k. K is nothing but 1 by t ln of r naught by r. Okay, and if I remove the ln, what I'll get? K is equal to 2.303 over t log of r naught by r. Come on, write it down. Very important. This is your first order. This is your first order. Come on, write it down, everyone. And done in the chat box. Come on. Done. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Now, after this, everyone, after this, okay, K, okay, some of the book also has given one more formula. Okay, since we have considered time, this over here, initial minus final, that's why it does not make any difference. But if we choose in between time, so we have to consider delta t. Okay, so write that also. K is equal to 2.303. Instead of t, it will be delta t log of initial. Over here I'll consider initial as r1, initial as r1 over r2. Write down this also. Both of them are valid. If it is given for two different times, not initial and final, then this will be the equation. Then this will be the equation. Come on, write it down and done in the chat box. Go ahead. I can draw a graph, everyone. I can draw a graph for this also. I can draw, yes. I can draw one more graph over here. I can draw one more graph over here. Now, for graph with respect to this, okay, this is my, look over here. Everyone, please focus on the screen. This is my y-axis, okay. This is my y-axis. If I arrange this properly, let me arrange it properly for the graph. Everyone is done writing, no? Everyone is done writing, no? I'll arrange this for the graph now. y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so over here, what is our equation? K is equal to 2.303 delta T log of R1 over R2. R1 over R2. So log of R1 over R2, okay, is one thing. Or you can better take this equation. Better take this equation. Okay. Better take this equation. So K is equal to everyone turn on your camera. K is equal to 2.303 T log of R naught by R. Log of R naught by R. So if I take it as y is equal to mx plus c, look over here how I rearrange it. 2.303, okay, by K, 2.303 by K over here. No, wait. We want what? Just a minute. We want y is equal to mx plus c. No, so sorry. What we have right now, K is equal to 2.303 T log of R naught over R. Correct? So log R naught over R, I'll keep it as y axis. Okay. Remaining everything I'll take it to that side. So K T 2.303. Oh, correct. K T 2.303 and y is nothing but log R naught by R. Look over here, everyone. Look on the screen what I have done. Look over screen. T I have taken to that side, so it has become KT 2.303. I have taken in the numerator. I hope no one has doubt till over here. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no in the chat box? Is it clear? Jyotsna, is it clear? Okay. So over here, this is my y-axis, this is my x, and this is my y. Yes. So if I plot a graph, everyone, I have plot one graph. So my x-axis again, x-axis is nothing but time. Y-axis is log of R naught over R. Log of R naught over R. From where should my graph start? Shrutika, Jyotsna, Parikshit, Adil. From where should my graph start? Srushti, Netra. From where should my graph start? Yes, you do not have any intercept. Intercept is not there. That means what? It will start from 0. It will start from 0. This is the graph. Okay, and slope, everyone, slope is nothing but, this is my slope. Slope is K over 2.303. K over 2.303. Come on, write it down. Write it down. Come on, write it down and done in the chat box. Go ahead. Come on, done. Only 3 done. Everyone, come on, done in the chat box. What happened? Come on, done in the chat box. Okay. Should we do a numerical on this? Chalo, let us do a numerical on this. Okay. JEE numerical, let us do a numerical on this. And generally everyone, the numerical will come into integer. Okay, integer type numerical will come. Hope it is visible, everyone. Okay, so little bit lengthy numerical but easy. Little bit lengthy numerical but easy. Chalo. Let us do this, everyone. For a first order reaction, the ratio of, oh, what is asked? The ratio for T 75%. Oh, okay. So they have asked for the ratio of reaction when 75% is done and the reaction when 50% is done. Okay. Reaction, they have asked you the ratio of T 75% to T 50%. Okay. So should we do this? Shall we, everyone? Let us first find out T 75%. Okay. Now in the question itself, they have given you one data. Yes, it is nothing but a first order reaction. It is nothing but a first order reaction. Correct? I'll show you for T75. Okay, you have to calculate for T50 and you have to tell me the ratio. Okay, so if it is a first order, obviously, what will be the equation? K is equal to 2.303 P log of A over, yes, log of R not over R. Initial over final. Initial over final. Correct? Now, everyone, whenever there is a percentage given, initial value, what should we consider? Whenever there is a percentage given, initial value, what should we consider? Yes, Sai, Vishwanath, Shrutika, Darshan, turn on your camera, Srushti, Dharneshwar. If you see percentage in the question, with closing your eyes, always and always, you have to consider initial as 100. Initial as 100. Always and always remember, initial as 100. Whenever you see the percentage in the question, write it down. Write it down so that you do not forget. Write down on the top of your book. Whenever you see percentage in the question, always consider initial as 100. So look over here. If you have concentration of R naught is 100, after 75% completion, what will be the concentration of R? Yes. When the 75% is done, what will be the percentage of R? Perfect, Hari Mahesh. What will be the final percentage? From 100, your 75% reaction is done. How much is left? How much is left? Yes, Rushti, Sai, how much is left? Perfect. Over here, correct, 25 is left. How much is left? 25. So over here, K is equal to, what will I write? K is equal to 2.303. T will become now T 75% because we have considered 75%. Log, since it is a percentage, initial value we will consider as 100. Final value will be what? After 75% completion of the reaction, since initial value is 100, the final value will be 25. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no in the chat box? Is it clear? Is it clear? Come on, tell me yes or no. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now see, you do not want the value of K. When you take the whole thing is for, yeah, this is for 75%. No, similarly, you have to calculate for 50%. Then you take the ratio. Simple. See, even if the value of K is not given, you do not have to calculate because it is a constant. It is a rate constant. Correct? When you take the ratio, it will cancel out. When you take the ratio, it will cancel out. Are you getting it? When you take the ratio, it will cancel out. Okay. So chalo, everyone, T 75% is what? 2.303 over K log of 1 4. So log of 4 is nothing but log 2 square. So I can write it as 2 log 2. What is the value of log 2? 0.301. Correct. So it is 2.303 into 2 into 0.301. I'll write it directly. That is 0.602. 0.602. Do not keep on multiplying. Everything is going to get cancelled ultimately. K P 75%. Come on everyone, now find out the T 50%. Take the ratio and tell me the answer in the integer. Okay, we want the integer answer. Tell me the answer, you'll write it in the exam. Tell me the answer, you'll write it in the exam. Come on, I have solved the more easy one. Value of log 2 is 0.301 for your reference if you do not know. Come on, I want the integer answer, what you'll write in the exam. Very good, Parikshit. Come on, I want the answer from everyone. Go ahead, everyone. Come on, calculate the answer. Yes, correct, Hari Mahesh. I'm expecting answer. Vishwanath, Shrutika, Yazira, Sai, Srushti, Adil, Vikram, Netra, Dharmeshwar, Darshan. Come on, try. It is in front of you only. Okay, find out the T 50% and take the ratio. Take the ratio. Do the division. You have only till order 1. You have only till order 1. You can go to the N order. You can still do it for the N order, but you have till order 1 only. 0 and 1. Very good, Shrutika. Shrutika, integer answer you cannot write 2:1, no? What will be the answer? You'll write it in the exam. That's what I asked. Zero 0.92. No. Why did you get 0.92? Over here, those who do not get it, look over here. T 50%, how will I calculate? Everyone, look over here. Those who did not got the answer, those who look over here. Again, the same thing. K is equal to 2.303. Yes, 2.303 over T 50% over T 50% log of. Now this will be what? Log of 100 over Jyotsna. What will be the value? Vishwanath, 100 over. Yes, 100 over. What should I write over here? For the second, for the 50%, correct? That means 50% reaction is done, Jyotsna, from 100, so it will be 50. Correct? It will be 50. So 1, 2. So over here, K is equal to 2.303. I'll take P to that side now. P to that side. So P 50% is equal to 2.303 over K log of 2. Log of 2. Correct? So this is my, here's my Yes, this is my T 50%. And over here, still if you do not know this value, still you can get it. This is 2 into log 2. Log 2 is going to get cancelled out. Yeah, so if I take the ratio of T 75%, if I take the ratio of T 75% to T 50%, yes, what I am getting 2.303 over K. I am writing the T 75% into 2 into log 2, correct? Similarly, divided by 2.303 K log 2. Why it is that difficult? Come on, log 2 cancel. This cancel. What is left? So easy. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no in the chat box? Come on, give me yes, everyone. Is it clear? See, you have to be confident with your answer, Vishwanath. It is not like that. You have to be confident. Even if it is wrong, you have to be confident with your exam. Not exam, the answer. You have to be confident with your answer. So let us go ahead, everyone. Yeah. Positive marking for the confidence. Yes. If you are confident, at least your one or two answer will definitely come right. But do not go into overconfidence. You will do. Do not go into overconfidence. If you do 2 correct, you will do 4 wrong. Right? Shall. Yeah. Now look over here, everyone. There is a little bit difference. There is a little bit difference. Okay. With respect to the gaseous reaction. Till now, whatever we were doing was for your normal aqueous equations, aqueous reaction. But when we are into the gaseous state, what do we consider? Instead of concentration, Hari Mahesh, what do we consider? Instead of concentration, everyone, we will consider pressure. We are going to consider pressure. Instead of concentration, we are going to consider pressure. Okay. Now let us say I have a reaction. Look over here, everyone, on the screen. I want everyone to look on the screen. In the gaseous state, I have the reaction. Let us say A is giving me B plus C. A is giving me B plus C, gaseous, gaseous. Yes, correct. Now for the gaseous state, we do not consider concentration. We consider pressure. Now what will change? What will change? Yes. So we write initial over final. Over here, same thing, but 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 your final pressure will change. I'll tell you what. Look over here. So over here we consider the total pressure. Now what is total pressure? That is pressure exerted by A, B and C. Pressure exerted by A, B and C. Okay. Let us say, I'll write it over here. Okay. Let us say, everyone look over here. Let us say initially you have not started any reaction at T is equal to 0. Okay, at T is equal to 0, what will be the pressure of A? Let us say initial pressure. Now the reaction is not started. So B and C will be 0. Now let us say some amount of reactant. Now the reaction is started at time T. Let us say some amount of reactant is reacted to the product. So it will be what? Pi minus X. Yes, some amount, that is X. X amount of reactant has converted into product. So I'll write over here X. So this is my product. Okay. So this Pi is nothing but initial pressure. So total pressure, what I can write over here, Pt is equal to Pi minus X plus X plus X. So plus minus cancel. Pt, what is the value of Pt we have got? Pi plus x. Is it clear till over here, everyone? Is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Come on, tell me, is it clear? Now, why did I do this? Okay, why did I do this? Only 2 yes. Come on, give me yes, everyone. Is it clear? I will not go ahead without your yes. Is it clear? If it is not, then please let me know. If it is not, then please let me know. Is it clear? Okay. Now, why did I do this? Why did I do this? Why did we do this? Okay. Basically, we have done this to find out the value of x. Yes, it is like equilibrium only. We have done this to find out the value of x. X will be what? X will be Pt. X will be Pt minus Pi. X will be Pt minus Pi. X will be Pt minus Pi. Now look over here. Now look over here. What will be our K? From this reaction, everyone, what will be our K? We know that K is equal to 2.303. This is the first order reaction. T log of initial value, that is Pi. Now we know that rate is always dependent on what? Hari Mahesh, Dharneshwar, Sai, Shrutika. Rate is always dependent on what? Is it reactant or product? Yes, it is concentration of reactant, and that's why we are only going to talk about this too. Yes, so initial upon the final concentration of reactant. Initial upon the final concentration of reactant. Are you getting it, everyone? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? Pa is nothing but this value. Okay, because this is the reactant. So initial is Pi and your Pa is this. Or instead of Pa, should I write it like this? To avoid the confusion, I'll write it like this. Pi minus x. Pi minus x. Pi minus x. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Initial over final. Initial is 0, final is at time t. So Pi over Pi minus x. Yes, is it clear? Come on, give me yes. Okay. Now we have the value of x. Come on, substitute the value of x, everyone. K is equal to 2.303 over t log of Pi over Pi minus x is Pt minus Pi will become plus Pi. Yes, minus Pi will become plus Pi. So plus Pi, 2Pi. 2Pi minus Pt. So K is equal to, what is my final equation? K is equal to, do not cancel it. Both are positive. Otherwise, we will cancel it. You have the habit. 2.303 T log of Pi over 2Pi minus Pt. 2Pi minus Pt. Come on, write this down, everyone. First of all, tell me, is it clear? Yes or no in the chat box. Is it clear? I want all of you to say yes or no. Come on. Sir, again. Okay, I'll explain this again. Is it clear apart from Vishwanath? Is it clear to everyone else? I'm explaining this again. If it is not, please tell me, Srushti, Sai. Reply. Yes, Hari Mahesh, what is the doubt? Okay, Shrutika, I'll repeat. Here we are considering pressure because this is the gaseous reaction. No? We are not considering concentration of gas. We never consider concentration of gas. Whenever there are gaseous reaction, the completely gaseous reaction, at that time we consider the pressure. Okay, we cannot write concentration of gas. We cannot write concentration of gas. Are you getting it, Hari Mahesh? So whenever you have all the reactant and the product in the gaseous state, you have to follow this. You have to follow. Okay. So now look over here, everyone. Those who want me to repeat, Shrutika, look over here. Okay. Till over here it is clear, no? Initial over final. What we have got, K is equal to 2.303 T for the first order. Initial is your Pi, final is your Pi minus X. Vishwanath, Shrutika, is it clear till over here step? Okay. Shrutika, is it clear till this step? Okay. Now look over here. What we have done, we have found out the value of X. Yes. Before this, we have found out the value of X. So Shrutika, Vishwanath, what I have done, I have just substituted this value of X over here. Value of X over here. So when I substituted it, that means what? If I want, I'll increase one step. Okay. Substituted it, the value. So that means K is equal to 2.303 T log of Pi over, what is it? This is nothing but Pi minus X. So minus X, what is the value of X? Shrutika, Vishwanath, it is Pt minus Pi. Pt minus Pi. Pt minus Pi. So if I open that bracket, Shrutika, Vishwanath, what will happen? Negative will come inside. Pt will become minus Pt. Minus Pi will become plus Pi. Minus Pi will become plus Pi. So you have 2 plus Pi over here. This is plus Pi. This is the plus Pi. So plus Pi, 2 Pi minus Pt as it is. Remaining thing as it is. Come on, at least give me yes, everyone now. Is it clear?